Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Today we're going to go over Bitcoin. We got to talk about it. We got to see what the next step could look like. And the year is coming to an end, boys. So you got to start making decisions on how you're going to use your portfolio to your advantage. And if you haven't started doing that, you're already behind. I really usually recommend 3 to 4 months early. You start strategizing what your tax loss harvesting plan is, what your sales strategy is, or what your buy strategy is for the remaining of the quarter and the upcoming new year. But let's get right into it. So some analysts are putting it out there that Bitcoin could have a big drop, right? People are really hesitant. And this is kind of all based on one main trader. I started looking into the trader because I had never heard of him before. He seems all right and pretty reputable. But again, this is just his prediction. And it doesn't necessarily fit my trading strategy. But it does not hurt to learn and see what somebody else is saying. So a big thing that they brought up here was just that it was about the December timeline that we have those trickle downs, right? So what I did here was I got the chart open, and in here I basically colored all the green for December. So this is what the last at least 3 years looked like, right? That December was a green month. This December was a red month, and this December was a red month. So let's think about that. What does that mean? 2 out of the 3 years we had a negative action on December, and we were in bear markets. But that has been a bear market ever since October, technically November of that year, right? So we really do need to put that into consideration. For the past 2 Decembers, it has been in a bear market. So that doesn't necessarily mean that it could change the trajectory. But what it does mean is that it's not going to guarantee a bad month, right? It's like a couple friends have been asking me hey man, that means it's guaranteed to go down. That's not necessarily true, right? It all depends on the sentiment of the market. And where we're currently at, according to these analysts, is that we're still in that bear market, which we are. But then that would technically make it the 3rd December in a row for that bear market. But on a positive note, and a huge thing that I do believe is that in May, right, once we start getting the halving, once that occurs, I think it's May or June, that could be that new upcoming catalyst that changes the entire game. So that's just something else to think about when it comes to looking at the pricing of Bitcoin. We did have a couple of flash crashes, and that's what created that new lower number here. Let's actually do the 2 hour. And as we can see, you guys, the lowest number we have made it to, now let's do the 4. The lowest number we had made it to was in December, right? So 2 options. Option 1, the market continues on an upswing due to how bad the current sentiment is in America. And I only say that because I feel like a lot of times the crypto market does not coincide directly with the regular stock market unless there's a big economical catalyst. For example, the the COVID stuff, right? That was a huge catalyst that impacted all markets worldwide. But a lot of times I think that these opposite correlate to each other. A lot of times if the stock market's gone down, some of the crypto market goes up. And I've noticed that over the years because people who were in the stock market aren't happy with their return. They don't trust the company, something, and they're willing to take it to Bitcoin because it is a free-form currency. So you just never know, to be honest, on the last month's cycle. But keep it in mind, if you see this and you see that the last 2 were negative, this one has a higher probability to be positive as long as we stay on the upswing. Because from here, from the last December, it's literally only been an upswing. Right? That's crazy. Right? That's just something to think about because we got down low to 16K, but at that long-term hold, you'd have doubled your money, right? In just this type of hold. And this is not a crazy meme token move that I love, but at the end of the day, it is still a stable long-term asset. And keyword there, I said stable. A lot of people think I'm crazy for saying that, but Bitcoin and Ethereum are digital gold, really. And if you don't believe that, you're crazy on your own. But if you are storing your value of dough in Bitcoin or Ethereum, yes, you are going to have volatile times. They move 100% within a couple of months, but they're not like a meme token or like a penny stock that can do 1,000% in an hour and a day. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're planning your strategy, and don't necessarily listen to this full analyst plan because they don't know and their trading strategy might not fit your trading strategy. Your bank account is different from what they have, and their intentions might be different. So again, always look at what your strategy is and let that be your decision on how you're going to play the investment, especially with these longer term type of holdings that I see in Bitcoin and Ethereum. I used to day trade them, and now I long term hold them, where I will day trade in and out meme tokens, because that's where the fun is. So just kind of, again, decide your own strategy and go with it. And if you've got questions, bro, comment, let me know below what you guys think. I love it. I really, really, really want to hear your strategies and see what's working well for you. I think we're all a wealth of knowledge, so don't hesitate to share. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next episode.